Hello, namaste, good evening everyone. I hope you all are having a great day. So, today I am making this video to introduce my new venture, Manovian Psychological Services. So, through this video, I wish to talk about the idea behind setting up my own practice, what all services I plan to offer currently as well as in the near future, and what are some of the objectives behind Manovian. Now, first of all, there is the individual counseling. Individual counseling can be given in two cases. First of all, is when there is a need for psychological aid for issues ranging from academic pressure, difficulty in studies, difficulty at work, difficulty adjusting with peers, with teachers, with friends, within family, issues in a relationship, stress, anxiety, difficulty in maintaining work life balance. It could be due to self esteem issues, it could be an inability to deal with some crisis in your life. So, counseling can be needed in a there is a huge spectrum of problems where one can easily seek a counselor. Uh, now, seeking help from a counselor should be as normal as seeking help from a doctor when there is a physical injury. Now, for instance, if you have a kid in your house who has a physical injury, who cuts himself by mistake, now either if the cut is quite minor, you will put a band-aid, but if it is a deep wound, if it is bleeding profusely, you will take them to a doctor immediately. You will get first aid done, or if it is a fracture, there will be another series of medical procedures needed. You won't tell the kid that, come on, it's just a minor thing, it will go on its own. But that is what we do with emotional and mental issues, unfortunately. So, after individual counseling for mental health care, there is the service of individual counseling for career oriented issues. I am a certified global career counselor by UCLA Extension, and through my portal, I wish to also provide career counseling to any individual from of any age, from any background, who is confused as to what career path they should take, if they are having issues adjusting to their current workplace, in their current job, they are not getting job satisfaction. So these are the two services which I plan to offer through Manovian. Both these services shall be based on psychometric assessments which are widely acclaimed and well respected internationally. For instance, the DISC, which is one of the most respected psychometric assessments worldwide, and it is a comprehensive tool which can not only help you to be successful in whatever area you are presently working in, but it can also give amazing results in your personal relationships, in your interpersonal communication. There is also a huge spectrum of psychometric tools which are beneficial in the domain of career counseling. For instance, there is the ideal career test, there is the stream selector test, there is personality test, there is the interest test, aptitude test, and so on. One of the primary objectives behind setting up Manovian Psychological Service is to make mental health care affordable and accessible to as many people as possible. Uh, Due to the current, COVID-19 situation, and due to the some of the recent events, there is an increased acknowledgement, there is an increased awareness about the importance of mental health care. Yet the truth remains that so many of us refrain from actually seeking help so many of us refrain from going to a counselor because of some of the stigmas associated with it, because of some fears which are ingrained deep in our thought process. Then again, even if somebody does have awareness regarding it, often the service is not very affordable. Often people just do not even know how to actually access a proper mental health care, how to distinguish between the various mental health practitioners and whom to go to. So these are some of the topics, these are some of the issues which I aim to address through my posts, through my videos, on my social media pages, on my social media, through my social media presence. I really hope to keep interacting with you all through my portal. All queries related to psychology, all queries related to counseling, and about my own services are most welcome. You can reach out to me through the contact information given on my page, and I wish to talk to you on a variety of issues in detail through my future videos. Yes, so I hope you all take great care of yourselves and your family. The COVID-19 situation is deadlier than ever in India right now, and thank you so much for listening to me so patiently.